Alright, today we're testing out the iShoot tripod mount ring replacement base for the Sony 200-600 long lens. This is the model THS-260, again made by iShoot. It's a easy, direct replacement for the tripod foot for the 200-600. Lightweight aluminum, and it allows you to mount directly to your tripod without having to attach a plate to the old factory foot plate. It's really easy to mount. You just got to press the clip, slide it on, tighten the knob, and then it's nice and secure. And the plate is actually a little bit longer than the factory plate as well, so you'll be happy with it.